Hi truck fans, Bangers here. Welcome back to Vortox Australia. Today, we're going to be turning this flat piece of high-grade 304 stainless into this, our truck air inlet cap top. So the process starts out with a full sheet of 304 0.9mm stainless steel. It's precision laser cut into this, what we call a blank. The blank then goes into the press, and I'm standing here today in front of our 200-ton Grenade press, which was imported from California in the US. Firstly, it goes into the press flat like this, between two steel rings, called a pressure ring and a draw ring, and the platen comes down and puts 30 tons of pressure on that blank. Then the pin comes down and forces this shape into the steel. We call that a draw. This is the first draw, and then it goes onto the second stage that we call a redraw, and it has a redraw sleeve which holds that shape, and then a different punch forms the smaller top here on the top of the inlet cap. Like I said before, this is a 14-inch inlet cap. After the first and second draw, it will continue on its journey through the workshop over to our blanking press, and the outside, the OD will be blanked, the outside diameter will be blanked to the specific final size. After that, it'll be deburred, and then it'll be ready to receive its Vortox signature high buff polish. Once polished, it'll go onto assembly to have the mesh installed with the inlet tube and the band clamp, and it'll be ready for sale. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can learn more about the Vortox journey from California, USA to Maitland, Australia, and help us write the next chapter. See you next time.